Let's walk through how to do a mail merge in Design and Print Online. On the left side of the Customize screen, click on Import Data to begin the merge. Then select Start Import Merge. We'll see the file types and file size we can process here. If our spreadsheet is larger than this, we'll need to split it up and create multiple projects. Before we start our merge, we'll want to make sure our spreadsheet is formatted correctly. Our information should be set up in columns similar to this. With this address list, the names are in the first column, street address in the second, and then the city, state, and zip code can be in one column or separate columns. Now we need to find the spreadsheet on our device. We can also access spreadsheet files from Google Drive or our free Avery account. For this project, we'll be selecting a file that is saved on our computer. So we'll click the Browse for File option to find our saved spreadsheet and click Open. Once our data loads, we'll be able to see a preview of the address list to confirm that the correct spreadsheet was selected. If our spreadsheet has column titles, we can uncheck this box so they won't print. If we want to alphabetize our list, we can use these arrows at the top of any column. If we want to leave out any rows or columns, we can uncheck them here. Now we'll click Next. Now we'll need to set up what will appear on each line of our label. Either double-click or drag and drop the fields on the left to arrange them in the box on the right in the order you want. However, double-clicking will add another line, so move them with drag and drop if you need to. We can then add spaces and commas where needed. Now we'll click Next and Finish. Now our data is merged. If we want to make any formatting changes to our text, we can select our Merge Text and use the text tools on the left side. If we want to update our project with new addresses, we can use the Replace Spreadsheet option. Just click on the edge of the text box so the edge turns solid. Then click on Import Data and select Replace Spreadsheet. Browse to find your new file and select Open. You will see the information from our new file in the Choose Fields window. Click Next to arrange your fields. We'll be sure to check that all of our fields are showing in the order we want and click Next. Then click Finish. Now our project is updated with our new spreadsheet. In case your project did not print as expected, here are some basic troubleshooting techniques. If the spreadsheet is the right size, but an error message appears during the process that the file is too large, there might be unreadable characters in the spreadsheet. This can usually be fixed by saving the spreadsheet as a .csv file. Here's how. We'll open our spreadsheet, choose Save As or Download As, and select CSV from the options. Enter a name for your document, save it, and redo the mail merge. Don't worry about the message that some features may be lost. Very little will change, and any lost characters should help create a more successful merge. If saving as a CSV file doesn't fix the issue, try these steps. First, we'll open our spreadsheet, highlight and copy all of our data. Then, open a new spreadsheet and click Paste Special to paste data as values into the new spreadsheet. This will paste the data as basic characters and remove any formulas that might be causing errors. Save the new spreadsheet with a different name and as a CSV file, and redo the mail merge. If you need additional help with Avery Design and Print Online, visit avery.com/help for more information and to contact our care team. Thank you for using genuine Avery products.